back to the channel. I'm Josh, the cooking cop.
And I'm Babe.
The babe.
The babe.
The babe.
That actually does the cooking.
That's right. So today it's a two-part video. We're going to show you how to make drumsticks in the air fryer, in the Ninja Foodi air fryer, not little party wings, because Babe wanted to get
I got the wrong ones.
drumsticks. We're going to be making drumsticks in the air fryer, and we're going to be doing a rub review from our favorite seasoning shake rub company, Uncle Steve's Shake. We love him, and we are blessed that he trusts us enough to try his new product, which is not even out on the market yet for public distribution. Grab it right here. Smoke Bomb. Doesn't even have its super top secret label.
He spoils us.
He spoils us. We love Uncle Steve's Shake. So we're going to be doing these drumsticks with Smoke Bomb, showing you how to do it in the Ninja Foodi air fryer. Super simple video. Stay tuned. There's going to be a little surprise later in the video. Right, babe?
Correct.
Right. It has to do with merch. Merch.
Oh, yeah, you wish.
Sorry. Anyways, all right. Let's jump into this video. Babe, it's time to cook.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Let me get my XXL gloves on.
Yeah. Well, you know, we share.
We share.
Yeah.
What's mine is
Those
yours.
are the magnum of hand gloves. Yeah.
What's mine is yours. What's yours is mine.
Kind of like that.
No, wait. What's mine is mine. What's yours is mine.
Yeah.
That's how it goes when you get married, right?
Yeah, something like that.
All right. We've got our drumsticks. We're going to put some avocado oil. You can use olive oil. You can use peanut oil. You can use whatever you would like.
Nobody uses peanut oil
They don't?
or canola oil.
It's not a thing. You don't need much, maybe 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna put our Uncle Steve's Smoke Bomb right on there.
We've never tried this before.
Yeah, we're gonna coat it pretty good. Let's not get crazy. Okay, so we're gonna toss these around. It smells very yummy.
Hey, babe, what does it smell like?
It smells like
Smell
smoke,
the chicken, babe.
spice,
It smells like spice.
smoke, some paprika maybe? I'm not sure what's in there, but I hear it's really good. That looks pretty good, babe, do you think? Or do you think it needs
see.
more?
That looks good.
Okay,
We can always sprinkle some on at the end.
true. True that. All right, let's put these in the air fryer.
And you don't really want them overlapping or touching each other. You want to get the air circulation good. Does that make sense, babe?
Yeah, these fit perfectly. Good thing I got those and not party wings, huh?
No, babe.
We only have to do 1 batch. Okay,
Okay, so if you've made it this far in the video, well, we're air crisping for 13 minutes, and we're going to flip and do another 13 minutes. We're going to do a giveaway. We have a 2X, we have a 2X t-shirt, and we have an extra large. So all you have to do, we'll use a random comment picker, leave a comment below, I want the 2X or I want the extra large. And we'll go live in a couple weeks, and we'll go back to this video, and we'll use a random comment picker, and that's what the shirt looks like. So it has our little logo on the front, and it has a ribbon for non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and yeah, it has a ribbon for hairless Josh, completely hairless, not even eyebrows.
you're sexy.
So yeah, we'll give away an extra large shirt, and we'll give away a 2X shirt, and back to the wings.
Okay, our 13 minutes are up. So we are going to get in here and flip them. They smell really delicious. I'm going to add just a tiny bit
Fog
more.
up my camera.
Oh, because it's so hot. I'm going to add a tiny bit more here before I flip. Oh my gosh. Babe, these are going to be really good. I can feel it in my bones, in
Oh,
my
yeah?
chicken bones.
In your chicken bones? You love handling raw chicken.
Oh my goodness, I hate it. It's like, actually, I really don't even like meat, to be honest. I think it's pretty gross. But you know, I eat it anyways. All right, we're gonna go another 13 minutes at 390.
So a total of 26 minutes at 390.
Yeah, total of 26
I can do math.
Yeah. And then after they're done, after this 13 minutes, we gotta use our instant read thermometer to make sure that they're at 160
Internal.
internal.
For safe chicken
So that
handling.
it's safe to eat your chicken. Okay, I was just testing these out. They're done. We're ready to pull them.
What was the temperature, babe?
Like 190. So they're definitely done. So, they look so good. And they're so crispy. I love the air fryer. Oh yeah. Crispy skin.
Now what, babe?
Now I'm gonna sprinkle some parsley on. We're gonna take our thumbnail picture and we're gonna give these a try. It's chow time.
It's chow time. It's chowda time.
It's chowda.
Okay, so drumsticks, crispy. You heard the little. The air fryer works great.
I love it.
And easy. 26 minutes. You could have probably even gone a little bit less at 390. How are these going to affect my... Oh my goodness, that's hot. That's hot, babe.
Yeah, hot. Hot like you.
Hot like you, babe.
Hot like you.
People are going to be like, oh.
I know. Okay. Oh my goodness.
The wings are juicy. Honest review of Smoke Bomb. Okay.
So good.
A little bit smoky. Not spicy at all.
I taste a little kick.
I don't. Oh, no, that never good.
Fantastic. As
I'm
is
trying
everything he
I'm trying
makes.
to figure out the words. I'm trying to figure out the words on how to explain what it tastes like.
Deliciousness.
It's delicious.
I don't know, but it's really good.
It has the perfect amount of smoke, heat, salt, paprika, a tiny bit of sweet, maybe?
I don't taste sweet.
No? I don't know.
We probably could have put a little more on though.
Yeah.
I probably didn't do enough. Because I was scared.
The wings came out super juicy.
These are really juicy. See the steam coming out?
Yeah.
That's
hot.
going in my mouth. In your mouth. This is delicious.
It's very good.
Another hit.
Another hit from Uncle Steve. Good job, Uncle Steve. The crispy skin with that is super good.
They're not too salty.
And you even put blue cheese here, which is gross. Blue cheese is gross, babe.
It's good.
No, that's you. If you're gonna eat wings, you eat it with ranch.
Blue cheese.
I bet people are gonna be like, no, ranch.
Let's take a poll.
Oh boy, that was juicy.
They're really juicy. Ew.
Okay, I gotta show. What? Ew.
Yeah.
Oh, a little gristle. Yeah, babe. Okay, I gotta show one more time. The juice from the air fryer. My goodness, it's ridiculous.
Those are good.
Those are good. I back you on this, Uncle Steve.
I do too. I like it. I think it's a perfect amount of spice. Oh, you okay?
That was unprofessional.
Is that hot?
Yeah. Yeah, that was really hot. That was unprofessional. All right, and on that unprofessional note,
let's get to eating these.
let's get to eating these. We'll put our top tier channel members. We thank you guys so much. They'll scroll up the screen. Thank you for watching another
episode
train wreck
of Josh and Babe.
of Josh and Babe. Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Well, we liked them.
I would say it's a success.
They're still steaming and we're done. That's how quickly we ate them. That's how good these things are. We love the smoke bomb. It's great.